If you own a camper van, then you're going to need the Platinum Wave Automotive Campervan Habitation service. For £250 including VAT, normally £300, you can have a full habitation service completed here at Platinum Wave Automotive. What that means is, when you go away camping, you can be rest assured that everything is working inside your van. And most of all, the main thing is, you can sit and have a coffee whilst you wait. Our fully comprehensive habitation services include the following. We'll check all of your gas, we'll check your electrics, we'll check your water, and we'll check all of the doors and cupboards as well. As part of that service, you'll also receive a brand new gas certificate. As part of the habitation service here at Platinum Wave Automotive, we'll also check your pop top. As part of checking the pop top, we'll also perform a canvas cleaning treatment to make sure that your camper van is looking fresh at all times. It's really important that you make sure that you get a habitation service on every part of your camper van. And here at Platinum Wave, we try to make that process as easy as possible for you. So whether your camper van was purchased from us or another dealership, get in touch today to book your habitation service here at Platinum Wave Automotive.